Brady's collapsible gate valve lockout device comes in 3 sizes to effectively secure valve handles with diameters ranging from 3 to 18 inches. The design provides secure lockout for a wider range of valves with the use of fewer devices, as well as the first lockout cover solution for handles larger than 13 inches. Begin with the valve in its collapsed position. Close around valve handle to the fully engaged position. Secure with padlock and worker's protective tag. When not in use, the devices collapse for easy storage on maintenance carts and in lockout kits. Their durable construction withstands harsh outdoor conditions for added durability, while the patent-pending design includes knockout centers to accommodate outside screw and yoke valves.